Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel MD Learnings. So today I am going to show you how to print title in an Excel workbook. Whenever you are printing an Excel workbook, so if you have number of pages and you want to print a single title and in each and every pages, so I will show you how to do that. So let's start the learning. So now you can see I have this data with me, and in this I need a printout of this whole sheet. Okay, so as I can see I have total count of 3116. Okay, total invoice number count is 3116. And now if I will print this, okay, just press Ctrl plus P and you will come to the print option is there. In this I have to print the sheet. In this you can see the heading, the title is not repeated, it is only in the first page. So what I want this title to be repeated at each and every page. Okay, it should be there in each and every page. I have total number of pages is 83, so I need this title in each and every page. So for this, just go back. Okay, just go to your page layout. In this you can see print titles. Just click on this. In this, go to the sheet option. Okay, and in this print area is there. Okay, which area you want to print, just you can select this whole sheet. Okay, I have selected. Now rows to repeat at the top, which row you want to repeat at the top. So I want my this row to repeat at the top. If you want any column to repeat, then you can do the same, and I need only the row to repeat at the top of the sheet. So just select this and click OK. Now if you will press Ctrl plus P, now if you will scroll down, just see the title is now at each and every page heading. Okay, this is at each and every page. Now using this you can print the title as per your requirement in each and every page. You can adjust the margin also as per your requirement, like if you want a small margin or whatever, you can adjust this and simultaneously you can print. If you want this in portrait orientation, you can change the orientation. If you want landscape, you can click on landscape. And apart from this, we have some, I will show you some other option. Like if you want scaling, like if you want all the columns to fit on one page, means like if you have 20 line column and you want to print all the columns in a single page, so just click fit on all the columns on one page. If you click on fit all the rows on one page, you can see it is a very big data, so we can't use this fit all row. Okay, just click on fit sheet on one page. No scaling. Okay, now if you will print, the heading will be in each and every page and easily you can print it without any problem. So this was how we are printing the title, okay, in each and every page. So guys, thank you so much for watching this. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon and please do like and subscribe also to my channel. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.